In a triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. Determine sin A cos A, sin C cos C. So there is a triangle given here. So here AB is 24, BC is 7 centimeter, and it is a right angle at B. So in this type of problems, where we are finding the ratios, we need all the three sides. So we need AB also, BC also, and AC also. Okay, which is hypotenuse. So let us first find AC. As because this is a right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse, which is AC. So we know Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We don't know AC, so I will write AC square as it is. AB square is 24 square plus BC square is 7 square. AC square, we know 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49. So AC square is equal to, if you add this both, let us add 576 plus 49. So it is 15, 1, 12, 1, 6. I'm getting 625. So 625. Okay. Now, let us find AC. AC square is 625. If I send this square here, it becomes square root of 625. So which is AC is equal to 625. Square root of 625 is 25. So we got AC to be 25. Here, this is 25 centimeter, and this is 90 degree. Okay. Now they are asking us to find sin A cos A. So let us write sin A cos A. First sub question, sin A and cos A. So sin A is equal to, we know the ratio opposite by hypotenuse. For A, angle A, which is this, for angle A, opposite is BC. So BC divided by, and in this triangle, the hypotenuse is always the biggest line, the largest line, which is opposite to the perpendicular angle, which here AC, here it is AC. So AC. So BC is 7 centimeter and AC is 25 centimeter. So we found sin A. Now let us find cos A. Cos A. Cos A is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse, which is here. For A, the adjacent side is other than the opposite side. Okay, which is, if you are considering this angle, adjacent side is the side which is joined to the given angle and to the perpendicular angle, 90 degree angle. So this is that. Okay, this is the given angle. From there, the angle which is joined to B is the adjacent side. So here we got to know which is adjacent. Adjacent is AB. Adjacent is AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. AB is 24 centimeter and AC is 25 centimeter. So this is what we got for sin A and cos A. Now let us find the other question, which is which is sin C and cos C. Sin C and cos C. So let us find sin C and cos C. Second question. Second sub question, sin C and cos C. Sin C. So we have to consider from this angle, from here. Okay. So sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite is, for C, the opposite is AB. Okay, not BC. Because we are considering angle C, this one. For this, the opposite is AB. AB by hypotenuse is AC. AC. Okay. Now, what is AB? AB is 24 centimeter. What is AC? AC, same hypotenuse, which is 25. So now let us find cos C. Cos C. Okay. Cos C. So cos C, the ratio, the formula of cos C is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent from here, from this angle, adjacent is the line which is turning 90 degree and the given angle. This is the adjacent. This is the adjacent. BC divided by hypotenuse. It is AC. Always AC. Okay. So BC is 7 centimeter and AC is 25 centimeter. So this is the solution. I hope you understood the solution. So this is the complete solution. I hope you understood the problem. Thank you.